The crew is really fast, real nice bunch of guys.
I've run the training program here. When I get new guys in, they come through me. I've been doing this for a little while now. We have a pretty unique process. You got a nice, smooth system to work off of. Quality and speed are two big things. Safety is thrown in the mix there too, and that's what I teach all the new guys that I bring on. They all start getting it and can put it together, and things just flow together. And that way, we got 3 crews running now. All of them operate the exact same way. With all my guys that I bring through, I set pretty high expectations out of them. I tell them right off the bat what I'm expecting, what our goal is. The biggest thing is taking pride in your work. If you look at that and say, I might have done that differently if that was my garage, then change it to make it that way. Make it, treat every building you're putting up like it's something you would have, that you would pay the money for, that you want in your backyard.
It's obvious that they've got people that have worked together. They've got a system. I was really kind of impressed with how by late afternoon, they had actually dug the footings, and we had the concrete arrived, and they poured the footings, and all the re-rod went in that they had promised, and and the next day they were back to put a course of block around it, and now that was like in November that took place, and like I say, there was a very light footprint. I mean, they were in and out of here without a whole lot of fanfare. No, they stayed right with it. Once they got started, they were here every day until it was all done. And then there was of course, we used tin on the roof, so there was a big pile of odds and ends of mess left, the day they finished. And they said, oh, we're going to send somebody here to pick that up. And I thought, well, we'll see when that happens. And then the next morning, and it was about like 6:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning, I heard something, and here there was a trailer and a pickup out here, and within a half an hour that was all cleaned up, and that was the last I saw of them.
They came back the following day. A guy come back with a trailer, cleaned up everything I didn't want here, and off it went down the road. He raked and magneted up nails, and it was all gone. Did a good job cleaning up.
I went back up there and visited after I had inspected it and approved it and accepted it. And I had kind of mentioned that the crew wasn't real chatty. They don't seem to engage in a lot of conversation. They stick with the job and get her done.
Quality is number one. That's what we go for. We want to put up the best quality garage we can. Good material and put together right makes a great building, and we put them together pretty well.